Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to apologize for my spoken English. Today I'm gonna show you animation and retargeting workflow. I think this workflow is especially useful for faster way character animation and retargeting. Because in this workflow I'm using completely free resource and add-on. Also have another way like Autodic Pro. It's a paid add-on, but basically I'm here using Rigify, and this is lots of controls and uh, easier way I think. So let's get started. Here is the file child Clevo in our project. So already I prepared the rig file. This is a simple human meta rig. Basically, first time Rigify is disabled in Blender. So at the beginning, we need to enable from edit, preference, and then add-on section. Here you can search Rigify and you will find. So at first, I want to mention we need to make sure our character is properly clean topology, apply transform, and necessary things. I think you know already. This is important because bad topology and transformation can break rigs and our animation, I mean entire workflow. Although we can scale up and down later using our root bone when we are going to animating, but basically first time we can make sure our character is proper cleanup and apply transformation. So let me bring our character here. So here our character child Clevo, that's the name. So it's a child character. Yeah, this is a nice cute character. So just simply we can copy Control C and paste here Control V. Okay, fine, but it's a little cute character. So just scale up according to our meta rig. So just scale up, and I think it's okay for starting. And then I'm going to align the properly all the bones according to the character. So let's see. Okay, once the meta rig is properly aligned, before we go to generate the rig, sometimes we can our modify our rig or adding extra bones. Like I want to add a extra bone for these accessories for extra jiggling animation. So here at first here I want to create a collection of bone like naming ext, and then color set bone UI extra color, and then I can add here. Okay, and for and now search here super copy. Yeah, super copy, but this is three bone. We need one. So here I can here I deleted two and flip. Here I add. I think okay. I think I need one more. Or yeah, okay, okay, fine. And then to pose mode, just change the shape like cube properties, uh, cube. Okay, and we need to parent. Okay, again to the edit mode, select that one, and for not a pelvis, fine. Control P, keep offset. Rename is or I say WMER BCXT tools. Okay, okay, nice. We are done. Now we are going to generate our control rig. So just press regenerate rig. Here showing regenerate rig because before I regenerate more and more for our characters. That's why here showing regenerate rig. But in your case, maybe show here generate the rig. Okay, just press here and boom. Okay, so this is our control rig after generating. And for the meta rig, it's no need uh, anymore right now, so just hide it and going to bind. So first select our character and then rig, control P, hit automatic. Okay, before going to manual weight painting, it's necessary because the automatic weights never work properly. Some areas usually need manual cleanup and better deformation. At first we can check here, go to pose mode. Okay, fine, nice, wow. But here other bone influence here existing here. Nice, nice. Yeah, here the issue. Okay, fine. Okay, let's go to the manual weight painting. Sometimes symmetry won't work properly. That's why I disable the symmetrize option. It's the same mesh and topology. That's why after one side weight paint fixing, then I applied mirror modifier for this part. Okay. So this is the finished rigged, and now we can apply animation or retarget. For retargeting purpose, I am using one another file. Last time I fixed the scaling issue, so that's why I'm using this character. I want to show you a retargeting method in this using this character. For retargeting purpose, we can use any type of mockup animation. So right now I'm using Mixamo Animation. So you can go mixamo.com and upload your desired character, and this is the same character. Yeah. Then search any type of animation like sitting. So this is a adult sitting. So think it's fine. So just download and everything is okay, I think. Or you can download without mesh, without a skin. So just it's a skeleton file. Now file, import fbx, and then here this is the sitting idle, and import. This is our animating skeleton from Mixamo. So we can retarget here. So for retargeting purpose, just swap our retargeting armature, like here the name armature. So in this workflow, I'm using Rococo add-on. It's a free add-on. First time when you set up the add-on, it's need to be a login. So this is just a simple way pressing the login button, and you can log in with Gmail. So armature, Rigify, build bone list, sorry, and then Rococo prepared all bone list according to our character rig. So first dev spine we need to remove. That's it. Then we can retarget. Boom. Our character transfer the animation data from the Mixamo armature. So we can hide and then so we can rename setting and then push down and then going to edit mode, and here just switch to IK to FK. That's it. And after that we need to polishing or some other stuff. And we can also the combining animation from the older blend file. It's a easier way. I can show you. And one thing, we need to fix our animation after retargeting according to the curve editor. Let me show you. And this is where the animation process start becoming more professional. Okay, yeah, our clever character is sitting properly. Okay, fine. So retargeting done, and we transfer all this animation easily our new file. So let me prepare our workspace. I need here dope sheet and action, and here a non-linear animation editor. So now we can also combine animation from our older blend files. For that, at first we go file, append, and find our exist animation folder file, then action, and at first applying run for checking purpose. Then we can find our animation list in the drop down menu here. So the run is existing our timeline. We select our armature, and then our run animation is existing here. So let me play. Nice, works fine, but here need to little bit fixing our weight painting and also the hand grave here. Okay, let me fix. So this is the way the rest of work can be done through curve and weight paint fixing. Yeah, I think you get the idea and entire process. Also, if you have any questions or suggestion, let me know. I'm here. Thank you.